In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack AI to recap what you've missed. If you've ever come back from a meeting, a vacation, or even just a long lunch break to a wall of unread messages, this feature is going to save you a lot of time and stress. First, open Slack and navigate to the specific place you want summarized. This could be a busy project channel, a direct message with a colleague, or even a specific thread inside a channel. The key is to make sure you're inside the exact conversation where you feel like you've fallen behind and want a quick catch-up. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right spot, especially if you're part of multiple similar channels. Once you're there, look for the Summarize button or icon. Depending on your workspace layout and updates, you'll typically find it at the top of the conversation, often in the conversation header near the channel name or details. If you don't see it right away, hover around the header area or look for an icon that hints at AI or summarization. When you're confident you found it, click that Summarize button to start the process. After you've initiated the summary, Slack AI will ask you to choose a time frame. This is where you can tailor the recap to what you actually care about. You'll usually see options like summarizing just your unread messages, the last 7 days, or setting a custom date range. If you've only been away for a short while, unread messages might be enough. If you're catching up after several days, selecting the last 7 days is often a great default. For longer breaks or specific project phases, use the custom range to focus on exactly when you were gone. Once you've chosen your time frame, Slack AI will generate a summary for you. This summary isn't just a generic paragraph. It's typically organized into key points, decisions, updates, or action items depending on the conversation. As you read through it, you'll notice that many parts of the summary include clickable citations or links. These let you jump straight back to the original messages for full context. Use these whenever something in the summary feels important, unclear, or you want to see the exact wording and reactions in the thread. Take a moment to scan the summary, follow any citations that matter to your work, and once you're done, you should feel confidently caught up without having to scroll through every single message.